craving a healthy snack that complements your diet? We've got you covered. Vegans rejoice with hummus and carrot sticks, or rice cakes adorned with avocado. These tasty treats are brimming with plant-based protein and beneficial fats. For the gluten-free warriors, consider rice crackers paired with almond butter or Greek yogurt sprinkled with gluten-free granola. Simple to prepare, these snacks will keep you content. Keto enthusiasts feast on cheese and nuts or celery armed with cream cheese. These low-carb, high-fat snacks are perfect for maintaining ketosis. Regardless of your dietary preferences, there's a world of healthy snacks waiting. Mix, match, and discover what best suits you and your lifestyle. Remember to subscribe for more healthful snack inspirations and tips. Until next time, happy snacking.